Hey Abhi, see what happened after a while. When the coin got really hot, it lost its magnetic effect. It's no longer attracted to the magnet.
Really?
Yeah, just as the needles, when it got really heated high, it actually moved away from the magnet. And you let it sit there for some time so that it gets cold, it'll get attracted again back.
Okay.
Okay, wasn't this cool?
Yeah.
Hey Abhi, let's test out these Cheerios. There are different kinds. What are the three different kinds we have? This is a wheat.
Wheat cereal.
Okay, let's put the wheat cereal in the water and let's take our magnet towards it. See what happens. Wow, look at this Abhi. Look at this. It's actually moving around. You know why this is happening, Abhi?
No.
Because the Cheerios has a little bit of iron in it.
Hmm?
Yeah, and that iron is attracted towards the magnet. Let's try the Lucky Charms. Can you put that in the water, please? Which is the Lucky Charm? Yeah, put that in the water.
This is the Fruit Loop.
Fruit Loops. Okay, let's try the Fruit Loops. Let's see if that gets attracted to the magnet. It is, but not as great as the
Wheat
Cheerios.
cereals.
Yeah, I think the wheat cereals have more iron in them. But it's so cool, right? Lucky Charms. Okay, let's see if that also behaves the same. So let's move this around. Even that is moving around, Abhi.
Yeah, but which is the best?
The best, I think, is the Cheerios.
Cereal?
Yeah. Now we have a little piece of spinach here, right?
Yeah.
Let's put it in the water. Everybody says spinach has a lot of iron content in it. Let's see if that is attracted to the magnet, okay? No, it's not attracted to the magnet. So spinach is not really attracted to the magnet. So how about an apple? Do you think that is going to be attracted to the magnet?
I don't know.
Okay, let's put it in the water. Let's see what happens. Is that attracted to the magnet? Not really, not really, not really. But I want you to do something else. Let's take this apple and go closer to the magnet. Here's a little piece of apple, and if you were to bring it close to the magnet, it's very hard to show this in a camera, but you can actually feel the magnetic effect. The iron in the apple is also attracted to the magnet. You can actually literally feel it, but we couldn't show the same effect putting it in the water. So we wanted to show this to you guys so that you can try it at home. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had fun.
Yeah.
You guys should try this at home too. Bye bye.
Bye.